In this video, we're going to take a closer look at every new attraction coming to Florida in 2024. Let's start off with a brand new land coming to Universal Studios Florida. This DreamWorks themed land will be replacing the old Woody Woodpecker's Kid Zone and should feature plenty of kid-friendly attractions. As of today, the land has been confirmed to feature franchises like Kung Fu Panda, Shrek, Trolls, and Gabby's Dollhouse. Rumors and current construction suggest that Woody Woodpecker's Nut House Coaster will be rethemed to the Troller Coaster, along with adding some new meet and greet locations for Shrek and Po from Kung Fu Panda. Other than that, there should be some new play areas, but nothing major in terms of new attractions. Regardless, this is an update that Universal Studios has desperately needed, and I'm excited to see it open sometime in 2024. A few miles down the road, SeaWorld Orlando will be adding a brand new B&M family coaster. Penguin Trek will be the replacement for Antarctica Empire of the Penguin, an old trackless dark ride that had mixed reception at best. This ride will feature both indoor and outdoor sections, with over 3,000 feet of track and a top speed of 43 miles per hour. Concept art suggests that the indoor section should be highly themed, so I'm excited to see what SeaWorld comes up with. Hopefully, this ride will be a hit for guests of all ages. Over in Tampa, Busch Gardens will be adding a brand new family coaster of their own. Phoenix Rising will be the replacement for one of the worst coasters in the park, Sand Serpent. Luckily, this ride looks significantly better. This will be a B&M family inverted coaster, similar to Montu but much less intense. It will also be much shorter, with a track length of only 1,831 feet. Considering the small amount of space they had to work with, it makes sense that this ride is so tiny. Even so, this ride looks to be a great time, even adding onboard audio for additional immersion. This coaster is one of the first of its kind in North America, so I'm really excited to see how it turns out in 2024. LEGOLand will also have a few new experiences next year. First off, they'll be opening a brand new aquarium, the Sea Life Florida Resort. There's a few of these opened around the world, including one already in the Orlando area, but this should still be a great addition for those looking to go to the park. Along with that, they'll also be opening the LEGO Ferrari Build and Race experience, which will feature several interactive stations and a full-size Ferrari built out of LEGO. These two experiences should both be a welcome new addition to the park. Now, let's see what's going on at Walt Disney World. First up, it looks like Star Tours will be getting some brand new scenarios in 2024. According to the press release, Star Tours will soon be traveling to new locations from newer Star Wars content, like Ahsoka and The Mandalorian. There haven't been any official details revealed yet, but it's still nice to see this attraction continuing to get updates. Speaking of updates, next year the Country Bear Jamboree will be getting a whole new musical refresh. Announced at Destination D23, this new show will feature covers of iconic Disney songs, along with a brand new look for the bear animatronics. I'm a bit mixed on this edition myself, but I'm cautiously optimistic to see how it turns out. Just a short walk down the streets of Frontierland is where Disney's most exciting new addition will sit. Tiana's Bayou Adventure will be the rethemed replacement for the former Splash Mountain, featuring the same layout with entirely new theming. Based on what we know so far, the ride should have brand new music and animatronics, featuring several returning characters from Princess and the Frog. I'm excited to see how this ride turns out when it finally opens sometime in 2024. Be sure to tell me which ride you're looking forward to the most, and subscribe for more theme park content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.